Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today I'm going to show you how to whip up a fantastic DIY sand mix for growing beautiful roses right at home. You know, roses are a bit picky. They need well-draining soil, not too heavy or soggy. So let's get started. First up, the ingredients. You'll need 2 parts garden soil as your base. This gives the mix essential nutrients. Then add 1 part coarse sand. Sand is great for drainage and keeps the soil from getting too compacted. Next, toss in 1 part compost or well-rotted manure. This adds organic matter, improving fertility and soil structure. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, add half a part of perlite or vermiculite. These help with drainage and aeration, making sure your rose roots can breathe. Alright, let's mix it up. Grab a large container or wheelbarrow and combine all the ingredients. Mix thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Before planting, you want to check the drainage. Water the mix and see if it drains easily. If it's slow, add more sand or perlite. Roses prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil, so adjust the pH if needed. Use lime to make it less acidic or sulfur to make it more acidic. Now, when planting your roses, make sure the hole is big enough for the roots to spread out. Don't plant too deep. Remember, roses love a well-balanced, fertile soil mix, so consider using organic fertilizers regularly. And there you have it. This DIY rose sand mix will provide the drainage and nutrients your roses need to thrive. Happy gardening, everyone. See you next time.